All right, so we are on 1.2. That is place value. So you should be on page 16 in your books. All right, if your book is not out, then you should be getting your book out. Page 16 in your books and have something to take notes on. So 1.2, we are doing place value. Place value. So each digit of a number has a value in place. So if we go, again, we're kind of splitting up with that same thing I did before. 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands. I'm actually going to switch color there. Oops. I have to read that. 10,000s, thousands. I'm going to switch color here because we got to remember when we're grouping these, we remember that we do three in a row. So remember we say 100,000s, 10,000s, and thousands together. Then we say the word thousands. And then we have hundreds, tens, and ones. So if you look on the top of page 16, it's got some numbers there for you. So it's got 8, 6, 1, 2, 5, 7. So in here, I'm going to get down a little bit lower here so I can actually write on the board here. This growth is a lot shorter than me. So the 8 stands for 800,000. The 6, I know this is really weird in order here, but hopefully you guys can follow. The 6 stands for 60,000. You guys can say it with me if you guys already know. The 1 stands for
1,000.
1,000. The 2 stands for
100.
200. The 5 stands for
50.
50, and the 7 stands for
7.
7. I know those are really out of order. Sorry, I tried to do the best I could with putting those in there. So the 8 is in the 100,000s place. 6 is in the 10,000s place. 1 is in the thousands place. You guys can say this with me. 2 is in the hundreds place. 5 is in the
tens.
and 7 is in the
One.
ones place. So each of those have those placed. So guided practice, we have, this is on bottom of page 16, top of page 17. There's guided practice 1 through 11. So at home you can pause the video right now. Bottom of page 16, top of page 17. Guided practice 1 through 11. And back here in class, we are going to work on the next thing. We'll come back to those guided practice. So now we're on middle way through page 17. Middle of the way through page 17. So we have numbers to 1 million can be written in expanded form. Hey, that's not so bad handwriting for me. So expanded form, like it's got the number 381,492. So I'm going to underline that so we know that we're talking about that. When we're writing this as a number in expanded form is when you kind of pull it all apart. So you're going to say, hey, this is 300,000 plus 80,000 plus, anyone want to guess? You guys can say it if you know it.
1,000.
1,000 plus, sorry,
400.
this is supposed to be a plus. Plus 400 plus
90.
90 plus
2.
2. So when you're expanding it all out there, thank you for those of you who are writing it down. You should be writing down. If I'm writing on the board, you should be writing it down in your book. So that's what it looks like in expanded form. So when you look at the guided practice on the bottom of page 17. So if you're at home right now, you can do guided practice bottom of page 17, numbers 12 to 14. Those are practicing doing this for some problems in expanded form. And if you're done with those guided practice right there at home, 12 to 14, now you can look on top of page 18. In class, we're already on the top of page 18. It's got each digit of a number has a value and place. So if you've got 1,649,000, we're just pointing out which place each of them are in. So if I say it, I want you in class to tell me what place value is it in, which place it is. So this is the 1, so I'm gonna underline 1 at a time, and you tell me in class. I underline one of them, and you tell me what place value it is. So the 9 is in the
1,000.
thousands. Your voice is gone. The 6 is in the
10,000.
nope. 10,000s is right here. 6 is in the 100,000s. 1 is in the
Millions.
millions. 0 is in the
Tens.
tens, and
100.
0 is in the ones. Hundreds right there. Yep. So one by one, that's just going through, and we are working on knowing those place values, knowing which digit goes where. So at home, then you can do guided practice 15 on the midway through page 18.
Can we go up? It's because I didn't see the goal.
I'll go back later. And last thing that we're going to be doing here in class before we go work on those last guided practice and then the assignment. So numbers to 10 million can be written in expanded form. So here they have, this is bottom of page 18, 5,649,000 even. So the expanded form, remember, we're pulling it apart. We worked on it before, yeah?
What did you mean by even when you said 0?
Oh, so I said it's 5,649,000 even. That means that they're even, just means that there's like nothing extra on there. Good question. So pulling this apart in expanded form, it's 5 million plus what? What's the next digit? 600,000 plus. What's next?
4 million? No.
This is the 4 in what place?
400,000.
What? No, because this is in the 10,000s place.
Yes.
So think 4 in the 10,000s place becomes what? What?
10,000?
40,000
40,000.
plus
9,000.
9,000 plus anything else?
No.
Nope, because the only thing we have left is 0. So that is numbers all the way up to 10 million in expanded form. So every time you're always giving credit, you look at what the digit is and you give credit to wherever it is. So 5 is in the million spot, 5 million. 6 is in the 100,000 spot, 600,000. 4 in the 10,000 spot, 40,000. 9 in the 9,000 spot, 9,000. And then the zeros, we don't have anything there, so we don't have to worry about it. And at home, you can do your last guided practice, 16 to 18.